Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the SpareBank 1 bank ID not working. First, make sure that your app is installed and updated to the latest version on your phone. Outdated versions may fail during authentication. Next, check your internet connection and ensure that it is stable, as BankID requires a secure connection to verify your identity. Then, restart your phone and try again later. This helps clear temporary system issues. Also, head over to your settings app and then search for general and then go down to date and time and make sure that your phone's date and time settings are set to automatic, because incorrect settings can cause verification errors. Now, if the issue continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for SpareBank 1, and then reinstall the app. If it still does not work, contact your bank because there may be an issue with your bank ID, setup, or account. That's how you fix the SpareBank 1 ID not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more